Well, it's a really nice place. It has everything for us here, and I think everyone here is in good spirits, and everyone has a positive attitude, and regardless of all the different and many reasons that each and every one of us has, I believe that God's here and His presence is here, and I believe that He's speaking to each and every one of us in many different ways.
Okay, well, guys, this is a whole bunch of guys here, and me to know me go to lunch here, me lunch here.
How to learn to be a Christian in faith.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Chu Yang, and from Hmong Christian, and it's been a while since I came to one of these camps with the youth, and coming back here brings back memories of Blue and all the other camps. And it's just I know we come to have fun too, but I really like the stuff that we learned from the cities and some of the good stuff.
Hi, my name is Paul. I'm from Hmong Christian Church. This is probably my first time being in a region camp in my whole life. But yeah, so far the few days here has been a really wonderful blast. And it's been very good. Hiker.
There's no taxi,
but I'm not gonna be here for that. So being here has been a wonderful blast, and it's been good for praise and worship and for our Holy Spirit.
Okay.
I've learned a lot from a lot of the workshops and yeah, it's been really good meeting a lot of new people, getting to make more new friends and get to know how everybody is, and just sitting here having fun, enjoying basically a week here.
Hi, girls.
From Lansing, Michigan. We're all from Lansing. I'm Michelle.
Okay.
A good experience, and it's a great way to meet up with God.
Okay, that's good.
They have very interesting workshops. It's very beneficial because it's based on very different topics.
That's good. That's good.
And,
All right. Con này con bây giờ.
Hi, I'm Nina from Lansing, Michigan.
What do you like about this camp? Yeah.
Everyone's really outgoing, really friendly.
Okay. And you are?
Hi, I'm Chi from Michigan.
Okay, Chi.
Everyone here is really friendly, and I like the workshops.
All right. That's good. Con nè.
I'm Bahua. Amazing too.
What do you like about this camp? What?
The worship, it was great.
Oh, it was good, huh? The worship, huh? All right. Thank you, ladies. You have a good day.
Tu chưa có yo cô lu chờ vang kho có yo tu cho cứ hà sai yo cu tu chưa có yo nhà sa trùa gò thao kết xa kiên trái lu trao cù lu nè cù yo nhà sa trùa gò vì có zu lu kha chế trùa cù ta có yo chế cho cù chế tao rong lo gió nhẹ cú yon trình mong lệ yon tru có tao kề dù thao có cho mong chê cú yon nhà sa trùa gò thao kết xa kiên trái lu trao cù nhà sa trùa gò vì có zu lu kha chế trùa cú ta có yo chế cho cú chế
พามินจีเชื่อไม่อยากลันจีไม่ตัวจูลุกแค่เนาะไม่เกิดตอนลันจีนะ
My name is Tadra. I'm Amanda. And one thing that we enjoyed about this camp is just seeing new people and old friends here.
Okay.
The activities,
All right.
learning new things, the small groups, getting to know people.
Okay. What do you have to say about those people that didn't come?
You missed out. You missed out.
Yeah.
Tu chưa có yo cô lu chờ vang kho có yo tu cho cứ hà sai yo cu tu chưa có yo nhà sa trùa gò thao kết xa kiên trái lu trao cù lu nè cù yo nhà sa trùa gò vì có zu lu kha chế trùa cù ta có yo chế cho cù chế tao rong lo gió nhẹ cú yon trình mong lệ yon tru có tao kề dù thao có cho mong chê cú yon nhà sa trùa gò chế đùa cũ ta có yo chỉ cho cũ chế
Yeah, super exciting.
Okay. And super ka tono ne what do you see ka puklan chi ka puja do no ka sale cha ha.
You know, we have a wonderful youth retreat here. Bây giờ tôi dạy cho một người trong trăm bài này, họ được trong sát trăm bài này là trong lên they exhibit a Christian character, and today right at this very moment we see that there are a lot of young people who at the shadow or take a play Lord Jesus họ được họ được trong trăm bài ha or được trong sát trăm bài.
Okay. All right, thank you. Hi, Kalumbe Hulicha.
My name is Stacy Yang.
And nuno ka kike totally
Yeah.
So how do you feel about it?
I feel so much better.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what ka sale okay totally nuno. You tell us a little bit.
Because I felt like I finally reached to God when I was listening to all those classes. I finally felt that I was ready to do it.
Okay. All right. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
Yeah.
đào trong lo gió nhẹ cú yon trình mong